solved examples of Cramer by means of Cramer's rule. So the two equations given are 1 and 2. We arrange them vertically, and for finding the value of d, we eliminate the third column and take the values of the coefficients of the variables in the first and second column. So it will be 5, 3, 2, 4. This will be the determinant d. So finding the value, cross multiplying, we get 5 4s are 20 and 2 3s are 6. So it will be 20 minus 6, 14. So the value of d is 14. Then finding dx. For x, what do? We directly substitute the coefficients of x, the column x, with this column. So we will bring this. So it will be this determinant minus 11 3 minus 10 4. So solving it, we get cross multiplying 11 4s are 44, and this is minus 10 multiplied by 3, cross multiplying, we get minus 30, and outside the bracket we have minus. So the product of two negative quantities will be positive, so we get plus 30. Minus 44 plus 30 is minus 14. Then coming to the dy determinant. For finding the dy determinant, we substitute the coefficients of y column with the third column. So we have 5 minus 11 and 2 minus 10. So this is the determinant. Cross multiplying, we get 5 multiplied by minus 10 minus 2 multiplied by minus 11. So it will be minus 50 minus of minus 22. It will be minus 50 plus 22, that is minus 28. So we have the three determinants. D is 14, dx is minus 14, and dy is minus 28. So dx will, the value of x will be dx upon d. The value of x, it will be dx upon d, which is minus 14 upon 14. So the value of x is 1, minus 1. Now y, finding y, dy upon d. So dy is minus 28 upon d is 14. So minus 28 upon 14 will give you minus 2. So the values of x and y obtained are minus 1 and minus 2. So this is the solution. Activity 1. To solve the simultaneous equations by determinant method, fill in the blanks. So these are the two given equations. Arranging them vertically, we have 2x plus y is equal to 19, 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 3. So determinant d. For finding the determinant d, we take the first two columns. So it will be 2, 2, 2, 2 and 1 minus 3. Cross multiplying, we have 2 into minus 3 and here minus, and into the bracket we have the product of these two, 2 and 1. So we have minus 6 and this will give you minus 2. So minus 6 minus 2 minus 6 and minus 2 will give you minus 8. Dx, we will substitute the first column in the place of this with the third column. So the values of the third column will come here. So it will be 19 and minus 3, and the second column as it is 1 and minus 3. So it will be 19 multiplied by minus 3 minus minus 3 multiplied by 1. So it will be minus 57, the product of this is minus 57, and minus of minus 3, that will be, this will become plus, so it will be minus 54, minus 54. Our two equations were 2x plus y is equal to 19 and 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 3. So dy, how do we get dy? We bring the values of the third column in place of the second column. So we have the first column as it is. For dy, first column 2, 2, and second column will be 19 and minus 3. So this will be 2 multiplied by, cross multiplying, 2 multiplied by minus 3, and then minus 2 multiplied by 19, that is AD minus BC. This is A, D, B and C. By Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d. So dx, we had obtained the value of dx as minus 54. Minus 54. Upon d, the value of d is minus 8. Minus 8. So these both are negative quantities, so it will be positive quantity. 54 upon 8 will be 27 upon 4. Y will be equal to dy. Yeah, we have forgotten to simplify the value of dy. Dy will be minus 6 and this will be minus 38. So minus 6 and minus 38 will make minus 44. So y will be equal to minus 44 upon minus 8, which will be equal to this, the minus signs will cancel. So it will be 11 upon 2. So y will be equal to 11 upon 2. So the values of x will be 20, x will be here, we substitute this value 27 upon 4, and y will be 11 upon 2. Activity 2. Complete the following activity. So the first equation is 3x minus 2y is equal to 3. And the second equation is 2x plus y is equal to 16. Determinant D. How do we find determinant D? We take the first two columns. So 3, 2, minus 2, 1. So the value of this determinant will be 3 minus of minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. So it will be 3 plus 4, which is 7. So the value of D will be 7. The value of dx, finding dx. For x, we substitute the coefficients of x with the third column. So it will, dx will be equal to 3, 16, the third column, and the second column, minus 2, 1. So this is the determinant. And the value of the determinant is 3 minus of minus 32. So it will be 3 plus 32, 35. Dx will be 35. What about dy? Dy will be equal to, we uh, substitute the second column with the third column. So the values of this third column will come in the second position. So we have the determinant as 3 2 and 3 16. So it will be 48 minus 6, which will be equal to 42. So how do we find the value of x? It will be dx upon d. Dx is 35. Dx, if you see to the right hand corner, we have 35, and d will be 7 to the left hand corner. So 35 upon 7 will give you 5. What about dy? What about y? Dy is 42. So we take 42 in the numerator, and d is 7. So 42 upon 7. So 42 divided by 7 is 6. So the values of x and y are 5 and 6. So this is the solution.